Welcome back to edtech on Demand, and in this video, we're going to learn how to join a Google Classroom. To get started, sign in to your Google account and go to Google Classroom. The website is classroom.google.com. Enter your email address and password and select Next. The first way you can join a classroom is if the teacher or the person who owns the account sends you an invitation via email. And in that case, you simply need to click Join once you sign in to Google Classroom. The second way you can join a classroom once you sign in to Google Classroom is by selecting the plus sign, which is Join Class, in the top right corner of the page. Next, you will need to enter the class code that was given to you by your teacher or the person who owns the account. Once you enter the code, you'll need to select Join in the top right corner. Once you've joined the class, you should see a banner with the name of the class on the banner as well as in the top left corner.